If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, folks? It's MrBucketlist here, and today I'm on NCL's Pride of America, where I'll be doing another restaurant review. Let's check it out. Now, before we get into the actual specifics of the restaurant, let's just kind of get into the details of how to get here and things like that. So this is included with the dining package. If you don't have the dining package, it's about $60 per person. This particular restaurant is included on most NCL cruise ships. And then as far as the experience itself, it is almost identical to what you would have on land to any other type of Brazilian steakhouse. And that's where I want to start right there. I love Brazilian steakhouses, so to have something like this on a cruise ship and have almost the same exact quality, the same exact features, things like that, it was phenomenal. When it comes to Brazilian steakhouses, they are known for premium drinks, premium sides, and premium cuts of meats, and everything is pretty much unlimited. So as I was showing throughout the video, they do have a salad bar that has sides and things on there as well, but then they also bring you your personal sides. So each table gets like a dish of just like potatoes, mushrooms, some vegetables, some cheeses, things like that. That comes a part of it as well. This is all included before the meats. I mean, you get a lot of food, so just in my experience, please don't go too crazy on the sides, especially if you want the meats, because they're gonna have a lot of meats coming your way as well. Okay, so for those who are not familiar with my experience at Texas de Brazil, same thing. So red means no meat, green means bring it on over. So they have a full salad bar as well. I'll go ahead and show that in a little bit, but this is what I got. Chorizo, some shrimp, some other stuff. I don't know what that is, but it looks good. There's some water. Then I also included the Brazilian drink in the night. So we'll see how it goes. And what I just showed with that card system, that's how you get your meat. So again, green means come on, bring the meats. Red means no, I'm good. And even if you have it on green to come to your table, you just tell them no thank you, I'm good to go. Or yes, please bring me some meats or whatever. I want to try some of those. Now, another thing I want to mention is, of course, if you have an NCL drink package, that drink package does work at all the restaurants. And so again, I mean, it's essentially unlimited drinks, unlimited meats, unlimited everything. It's pretty phenomenal. Now, of course, the main reason why I come here is for the meat, and oh my God, did this not disappoint. It was phenomenal. I mean, all the meats you can think of, whether it's chicken, whether it's steak, whether it's lamb, I mean, they just wrapped in bacon, filet mignon, Angus. It is so many different types of just meats that they bring to your table, and again, you don't have to take any, you can take all you want. It's truly up to you. There's such a variety. It is phenomenal, and they keep it coming. They just keep on coming over and over again. So I mean, I would say this, definitely space yourself out. As you all can see in these videos, I was getting little pieces here and there because I know the drill. This is like my 5th Brazilian steakhouse I've been to. I love them, but at the same time, I understand if I eat too much at one time, I'm only going to get one round, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to try a variety, ask for small pieces and space it out. So being that I've done a couple of Brazilian steakhouse reviews on my channel, this is actually going to be my 3rd one, I really don't have much more to say that I haven't already said. I mean, these things are always great. Yes, the meat quality may change here and there depending on how they cook it and stuff like that. But regardless, I mean, the value of what you're getting, you can literally just get one piece of meat, but the size will make up for it. I definitely would say this is a must-do. I mean, especially with here on a cruise ship, it's very hard to find an experience like this on a cruise ship. And not only that, but I mean, essentially, you're really getting it for a cheap price. So for example, on my current cruise on NCL Aqua, adding on a dining package is an additional $20 per cruise. And again, to get in there is $60. So you're paying $20 for a Brazilian steakhouse on a cruise ship. That's phenomenal. So again, I highly recommend it if you have the dining package. Even if you don't, if you've never been to one, you want like a nice atmosphere, but also a lot of good food, I recommend that as well. So I hope this video helps you all out. I have a lot more coming out from this Pride of America cruise, and then NCL Aqua, NCL Gem, so many different cruise ships that I've done on NCL and just cruises in general. Please check out my channel, please share the video, and I'll see you soon. It's MrBucketlist.